This is an introduction to what we call the 10% tip, which is a way of helping us to figure out what the relevance to demotions should be on the basis of distance. You might be presented with an example like this where it's not really clear which results are excellent, which are good, and which ones are acceptable. So the general tip that we use is the 10% tip, which is that when you start, you find the nearest real-world result, which in this case is for Home Depot, which is number 1, and it's 4.47 kilometers away. Then anything that is within 10% of that, which would be approximately 4.9 kilometers, will get the same rating of excellent. If there's any other result that was less than 4.9 kilometers away, that would also be rated excellent. However, if we look, we see that number 2 is 7.2 kilometers away, and number 3 is 5.8 kilometers away. And by real-world research, we see that there are no other results within 4.9 kilometers. So Home Depot, result number 1, is the only one that gets an excellent rating. Then you find the next nearest one, and that's your first good rating. So in this example, based on real-world research, number 3 is the next nearest one. It's 5.8 kilometers away. And to find out if anything else should be given a good, you find the 10% tip, which would give you a distance of 6.4 kilometers approximately. And if anything else is within 6.4 kilometers, it would get a rating of good. Now, based on real-world research, there is nothing else. So then what you do is you find the next nearest one, which in this case, based on real-world research, is number 2, and that gets acceptable. And if there are more things to rate, we would reapply the 10% tip.